Welcome back to Best Reviews. If you've ever imagined having a smart companion that can talk with you, show emotions, and even make your daily life more fun, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 AI companion robots in 2026, the most advanced, interactive, and futuristic robots designed to entertain, assist, and connect with you like never before. From cute emotional desk robots to powerful AI-powered companions, these amazing innovations are changing the way humans interact with technology. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support more awesome tech content like this. And if you're interested in any of these robots, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Let's get started. The Anki Vector Robot is a small but incredibly smart AI companion designed to live on your desk and interact with you naturally. Unlike many robot toys, Vector is fully autonomous, meaning he can navigate his surroundings, recognize faces, and react to what's happening around him without any remote control. With the latest update, Vector can now connect to ChatGPT through a subscription, allowing him to answer complex questions and hold more meaningful conversations. He also supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, and German, making him useful for global households and language learners. Equipped with an HD camera and advanced sensors, Vector can map his environment, detect obstacles, and recognize people. His animated digital eyes and expressive personality give him lifelike emotions, making interactions feel fun and surprisingly real. The Energize Lab. Eilik Pink is an adorable interactive robot pet that focuses on emotions and fun interactions rather than advanced AI. Designed to sit on your desk, Eilik reacts to touch on different parts of its body, such as the head, belly, or back, triggering a wide range of expressions and emotional reactions. It features entertaining minigames, including shooting monsters, fishing, and simple left or right touch games that make it engaging for both kids and adults. One of the most unique features is that when 2 or more Eilik robots are placed together, they can communicate, play, argue, or even party with each other. While it doesn't support voice commands or AI conversations, the robot is constantly improved through firmware updates that add new animations, emotions, and games, keeping the experience fresh and entertaining. The Aibi Pocket Pet is a tiny wearable AI companion designed to go everywhere with you. This ultra-portable robot can attach magnetically to your computer screen, sit on your desk, or fit right in your pocket. Powered by ChatGPT, Aibi allows you to ask questions, request jokes, check the weather, or simply have a quick conversation anytime. Its built-in camera helps it recognize faces and remember users, creating a more personal interaction that feels similar to owning a real digital pet. Despite its small size, Aibi can sing, dance, and respond to voice commands while showing emotional reactions. Another interesting feature is that when 2 Aibi devices are close to each other, they can communicate using near-field communication technology, allowing them to interact and chat with each other automatically. The Loona AI Robot Pet Dog is one of the most advanced robotic pets available today, combining AI conversation with realistic pet-like behavior. Equipped with a high-definition RGB camera and depth sensors, Loona can recognize faces, detect gestures, and even follow you around the house like a real puppy. Powered by Amazon Lex and ChatGPT, Loona understands voice commands and responds in real time, allowing natural conversations and interactive play. The robot also includes smart home monitoring features and two-way interaction, making it useful as both a companion and a home assistant. One of its standout features is the improved auto-charging system, which allows Loona to automatically return to its charging dock when the battery gets low. With continuous updates and new features, this robotic pet keeps evolving and becoming smarter over time. Taking the top spot is the Rux AI Desktop Robot, a powerful AI companion designed for entertainment, productivity, and smart home interaction. This desktop robot can move freely on your desk while communicating through voice dialogue and performing a variety of useful functions. It runs on both Android and Linux operating systems, allowing users to install apps or even program the robot using Python to unlock advanced capabilities. Inside, it features an A55 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, giving it enough power to handle complex tasks and AI interactions. The built-in 5-megapixel wide-angle camera allows remote monitoring through your smartphone, along with two-way voice and video calls. With support for 10 languages including English, German, French, Spanish, Japanese, and Chinese, the Rux AI Desktop Robot is one of the most versatile and customizable AI companions available in 2026.